Hey guys, what's up? I'm here to tell you a little bit about a product that I purchased recently. I'm a huge fan of Tofurky because I'm a vegetarian, and it allows me to get some really great things that I would be able to eat if I ate meat, if that makes sense. Like they have cold cuts, and they have the Tofurky, like an actual Tofurky that you could have at Thanksgiving time. And then they have these really great sausages and a bunch of other things that they make. So it's nice. So like even though I'm vegetarian, I don't have to feel like I'm missing out at like a barbecue or something, because I'll always have something that I could make. And I really love that. I think that's awesome. So this is the Tofurky Original Sausage Italian. Perk up your pasta with it. These Italian sausages stand out with flavors of fragrant basil and sweet sun-dried tomatoes. They bring a smile to spaghetti, soups, and sautés. This is a net weight 14 ounces or 397 grams. You could keep refrigerated like I've been, or they are okay to freeze as well. They are vegan, they are kosher, and they are non-GMO verified. And they have a really, really wonderful taste. Excellent source of protein, no cholesterol, low saturated fat, all vegan. This is the second time I'm buying this. I bought them thinking that we were going to grill them, but it is November and grilling season is over, so you could easily just, saute this in a skillet or whatever. I don't think I would really, you can microwave it, but I don't think I would recommend that. I think that could make them like a little bit like soggy, and I just don't see it coming out good. But they have a really firm texture, just like a real sausage, and they are full of flavor, which I absolutely love. So flip here, the friendliest food on the plate. Good food is kind to people, animals, the environment, and especially taste buds. That's exactly the kind of food we've been making at Tofurky for more than 35 years. So Original Sausage Italian, you could grill for 3 to 4 minutes, turning occasionally. You can microwave on high for 30 seconds. The stovetop, you could saute in light oil until browned, or boil in water for 90 seconds. I feel like you could almost eat them like you would eat a hot dog. You could put them in a bun too. Ingredients: organic tofu, water, organic soybeans, magnesium chloride, calcium chloride, vital wheat gluten, expeller pressed non-GMO canola oil, water, shoyu soy sauce, water, non-GMO soybeans, wheat, salt, culture, organic soy flour, sun-dried tomatoes, basil, granulated garlic, sea salt, and spices. Contains soy and wheat. Made with love in Oregon. The Tofurky Company, 602 Anchor Way, Hood River, Oregon, 97031. Tofurky.com or info@tofurky.com. They are on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. There is the barcode. They come in this great package, nice and all sealed up for freshness. They are all vegan, like this little guy says right here. Nutrition facts: serving size 3.5 ounces or 99 grams, servings per container 4, calories 280, fat calories 130, total fat 14 grams, 22% daily value, saturated fat 1.5 grams, 8% daily value, trans fat 0 grams, cholesterol 0 milligrams, sodium 620 milligrams or 25% daily value, potassium 260 milligrams, 7% daily value, total carbohydrate 8 grams, 3% daily value, dietary fiber 1 gram, 4% daily value, sugars 3 grams, protein 30 grams, vitamin A 2%, vitamin C 0%, calcium 4%, and iron 20%. It says here this packaging was made with recycled materials and low VOC inks. Recycle it. Certified corporation, recyclable, certified 100% recycled paperboard. So that's kind of nice knowing that you could recycle it as well. And then of course you could add this, like it says, to soups, salads, a whole bunch of different things. You could add cut up sausage and saute it with some vegetables and olive oil, and just really tasty. And of course, like I said, I appreciate it because I am vegan and vegetarian. However, even if you do eat meat, it's less fattening than meat, and it still has a lot of protein. And my brother and my husband actually really like this brand, and they both eat meat. But if I make this, of course, they'll be more than happy to eat it because they think that it tastes good. So good for you vegans, vegetarians, and non-vegetarians as well. So this was Tofurky Original Sausage in Italian. They do have other flavors as well that come in the original sausage. I hope you guys try it out, and I hope you love it. Thanks for watching.